Areolar tissue is a loose connective tissue that's strong enough to bind different tissue types together while staying soft enough to provide flexibility and cushioning. We can find this tissue in the lamina propria, which is a layer of tissue between the epithelium and the dermis. It also surrounds capillaries and it wraps around some of the organs. Its functions are to wrap and cushion organs, connect the epithelium to the dermis. It plays a very important role in the inflammation system. It has a gel-like matrix that holds and conveys tissue fluids, and it contains macrophages that phagocytize bacteria. Here's our first slide, and we're using the 4x objective to look at this tissue. Now there's a lot of depth in this slide, so at the 4x objective it's hard to get the entire slide into focus. As you focus on one area, another area will look a little fuzzy. And even at this magnification, which is only 40 times total magnification, you don't see much other than the large pink fibers. These are the collagen fibers. We can very slightly see some fibroblasts mixed into this tissue. So if we go to the 10x objective, things start to become a little more clear. Here we can see some elastic fibers. We can see the collagen fibers. Here we can see some of the nuclei of the fibroblasts. By the time we get to the 40x objective and we're looking at this tissue at 400 times total magnification, we can see its components quite clearly. Here you can see elastic fibers, we can see nuclei for the fibroblasts, and we can see some of these collagen fibers that give added strength. You can occasionally find a mast cell, but those are very difficult to identify. That wraps up our discussion of areolar connective tissue.